Hi friends, this is Rajarshi Rashekar. Welcome to my spiritual wisdom information channel. So my dear friends, today our concept about money mastery. Yes my dear friends, we all know about that money is a mystery for this lifetime. Humankind all needs money. The society depends upon money. Our day-to-day life depends upon money. So, money is a mystery. So, we must change that mastery, money mastery, transform that money mystery to money mastery. Yes, my dear friends, we can change. On this earth planet, everything is energy. Money is the energy. We must understand this fundamental thing, my dear friends. If you do not understand this thing, you always suffer about this money concept. Financial freedom. So we must apply this. Money is the energy. If you have that much energy, you will get that money. Depends upon your decision making, depends upon your work, depends upon your quality thought. So many ways. So money is the energy. When we have that much energy, we will get more money. So for that purpose, we must practice meditation. There is no other option. Energy comes from meditation only. Breath is the source of energy. So by practicing Anapanasati meditation, we will get that energy. Soul needs energy. When you have that energy converts into matters. Money is a matter for this material world. So energy converts into matter. When we think about money is a energy, so we have to work on that. I have to practice about it by sadhana and affirmations also. You must allow money in your life. There is lot of money. There is lot of money. Change your belief system. You must change your belief system to get this money in your life. Whatever you want. Is it 10 rupees, or is it 10 crores, it's 100 crores? Doesn't depend upon how much you want. Nature doesn't care about how much you want. It is 10 rupees, it gives you. It will 100 crores, it will give you. In nature level, in the law of nature, 10 rupees equal to 100 crores. Doesn't matter. Is it 10 rupees or is it 100 crores? Everything is equal for nature. The law of nature. So, how much you want? For what purpose you want? For your physical needs, for your physical luxuries, whatever it may be. We need money. Yes, we need money. So many gurus, so many people thinks like that. In spiritual people doesn't like money. If you have money, we do not get that enlightenment state. This kind of belief system, false belief system, madness. No, my dear friends. Nothing will stop you, your enlightenment. Nothing will. Either money, either society, either family, whatever it may be. For your spiritual growth is different, and either other your efforts also different. So you must have a energy for all these things. To manifest this material world, you need a energy. Money is a energy. So practice for money energy. Invite that money in your life, that energy in your life. Dhanam moolam idam jagat. Yes, my dear friends, we need money. On this Earth planet, currently gone this money, everything. Is it politics? Is it business? Is it family? Is it agriculture? Everything around goes this money. So people think it's a mystery, but we can make this mastery, money mastery, by our sadhana, day-to-day sadhana. Allow that Lakshmi, Ashtalakshmi, to in our life. When you practice meditation for whatever you want, how much you want, just you will ask, it will be given. Jesus Christ said these golden words: knock, it will be open. You have to ask to the nature whatever you want, how much you want, by thoughts. Everything we create by our thoughts. So create your money, visualize your money to allow your life. There is three things very important, my dear friends. Intent power, Ichha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Sankalpa Shakti. This is very, very important. When you have that much interest about money, that is called Ichha Shakti. So, what is the purpose of that money? That is your sankalpa. How you are going to utilize that money? For what purpose? How to visualize these things? Ichha Shakti, Sankalpa Shakti, Purusha Prayatna. The physical effect. By your thoughts, will intention power of intention, Sankalpa Shakti. By your efforts, Purusha Prayatna. That is also very important. By thoughts, by words, and by efforts, physical efforts. By thoughts we can create like this also, affirmations. I am the magnet of money. I am the magnet of the power of money. I am receiving that money. Have a goal to get that money. Always be positive about money. Have always prosperity consciousness, my dear friends. This is very, very important. When you see the rich people, when you see the higher level than you must have a prosperity consciousness. It means you are allowing them It means you are accepting them instead of poverty consciousness. I don't have that much money. I'm very poor. This kind of thoughts, poverty consciousness. Always have a prosperity consciousness. Be strong on your thoughts. Be aware of. So, money is a natural flow, my dear friends. Natural flow, natural energy. It comes to you when you have a calm and composed and stillness. Nature gives everything, my dear friends. Sometimes not in cash form. Sometimes it will come by things, whatever you want. Some gifts, you will get it. So love the money. Allow the money. Accept the money. Have that money mastery. The power of money. A lot of money is there to allow to your life. So thank you, my dear friends. Thank you very much.